How to clear Instagram search suggestions when typing on iPhone. First is by opening your Instagram app and then click on search right here and click on search on the topmost part. You may click on see all right here and then you may click on clear all on the upper right corner. So there is another way to clear or delete the search suggestions. To do that, you may click on your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen and click on the three lines found on the upper right corner. Click on your activity and click on recent searches. So you should scroll down and click on recent searches right here. And again, click on clear all found on the upper right corner and click on clear all right there. So there you go. That's how you can clear Instagram search suggestions when typing on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.